In this tutorial, we're going to create a procedural forest system in Unreal Engine 5.7 by using the new PCG system. Yes, so before getting into this tutorial, make sure that you have watched the previous video regarding how to create a PCG tree by using the new PCG system in Unreal Engine 5.7. So make sure that you watch that tutorial. So now what I'm going to do for the first time, I'm going to create a landscape here. Just a simple landscape, since we are planning to make a forest here. So we need a landscape here. So I just create a landscape here. Now I am going to create a mountain. Simply just using this sculpt tool, I'm going to create a simple mountain. Something like this. So why I'm doing is this because this PCG system of new Unreal Engine 5.7 can easily interact with the mountain system, everything according to this world. So make sure that you enabled this PCG system. Just go to the plugins and just type procedural this one, Procedural Content Generation framework. Make sure that this one is marked. Then you have to restart the Unreal Engine. Then it will be enabled. And make sure that you already downloaded this mega plans asset from Epic Fab Store. And if you watch my previous video, you will get the basic idea of how to create this tree. Okay, so let me just create a PCG system by choosing this PCG here, this one, the procedural generation tool. You'll see this PCG graph over here. Just tap on that, and there are already a lot of templates here. We could use all these templates for particular things, but now I am just concentrating on creating a forest here. So create empty graph here, and let me just rename it as forest. Okay, now you just have to double click that. Now you will see a whole new level of PCG system. So from now onwards, we don't have to use P-tree or any other procedural tree creating softwares. The Unreal 5.7 has adapted to new PCG system, and they are offering a new level of PCG system to us. And this is a great way to create a lot of things. If you want to create a huge forest system with a lot of assets. Okay, so this one is very powerful. What I'm going to do here for the first time here, add new property here. Now what we have to do is we'll just click here, and we have to type here skeletal mesh. You'll see skeletal mesh here, and from here what you have to do, just click here and make this one is array. We don't need it as single or set, we need as array. And I'm going to rename this as PCG forest. And under this we can gather trees. Just click here, and you can add whatever count of tree kind you want. Just select trees from here. I'm going to take some random trees here. Okay, so I'll add these three trees. So now what we want to add here on the graph, I'm going to add world array hit query, and here we can see a lot of options here, but before that we have to add one more thing, surface sampler, this one. And now I'm going to take this PCG system here, and let me just resize this. Okay, later we will do all the changes. We need to if you click D here, you can see how many points the surface sample gather over here. It stays on the surface, and you can add a lot of sample here, just like here you have the control units here, like points per square meter here. If you increase that, the points will be generated over here as well. See, so I don't want that much of point here. I'm going to make this 0.02, or maybe default 0.1 is good. And you can control this point extents and lots of things here. Now I'm going to looseness, I'm going to reduce the value to something like 0.5, maybe 0.9. Yeah. Now I'm going to add is transform point, this one. Let me just connect this. So by using this transform point, we can control all the points over here. We can control all the values like rotation and scale and offset values here. I'll do some changes over here, like let me just type here 360 degree minimum, and I'm going to type here 90 degree, something like that. And scale would be 0.3. Okay, we will deal with that later. And I'll just add something called as density filter, this one. Okay, and we got a lot of options here as well. I'm going to disable this debug over here. Just hit D here and come over here and click D, so you'll see the density filter here. Okay, or you come over here and make the debug on over here, you'll see this values as well. Now what we want to add is we need to add this PCG forest over here. So let me just add a get graph. It's already come over here, but I am just taking this get graph parameter, and just note this name. I already named here is like PCG forest. I'm going to type here as one more time, PCG forest. Sorry. Make sure you following the name, the same name here as well. Type the same name here. Okay. Now I'm going to type match and set attributes. Okay. I'm going to connect this value here, this one over here as well. I'm going to put a name here as well. just type forest. Now let me just add one more thing. Instance skinned mesh spawner. Okay, now let me just okay, now here you got a lot of options here. Just open this template descriptor transform provider here, and you'll select wind transform provider for the wind animation for these meshes. Okay, and let me just rename this forest here. So we spawned all the trees over here, but it looks like its axes are inclined over the surface, and this looks like some natural calamities happened over here. So this is not looking natural. So there is a problem over here. You just have to take this transform point node, and here you just have to mark this one, absolute rotation. Mark this one, and okay, mistakenly I changed this value to 90 degrees. That's why things have changed. So we can definitely do some slight changes over here. Need that. We need randomly paced plants and trees over here. So this looks more natural, but I need more density. So for that, I already mentioned that we put a node here called density filter, and we have this surface sampler over here. Let me just add more values here, like 0.9. So this looks too much. I'll select 4. This looks good, and make sure that you save it. If you don't save it, maybe it would be crashed because we are adding a lot of things. Too much meshes here, and yeah, of course this is PCG, but the beauty of this PCG system is this would work literally according to the world meshes. Okay, so if you place this one over here, it will be placed according to this landscape. Okay, so that's the beauty of this PCG system. Okay, now I'm going to make the size like 145, so it would be placed like this, and you can see this. This is so huge, like so huge, and see, this is the beauty of this. Will be naturally placed according to this, the landscape. That's the beauty. Now we can add a water surface over here, and it would be look very natural. And actually these trees are all moving like the wind passing through. So this literally looks like natural for me, and you can actually control the wind system as well. And let me just do some changes over here. So we already have the water material here, so I'm going to grab a shape. Let me just resize it to something like, okay, let me just place this here, so you'll get the feeling like a river. and I'm going to drag and drop this water material here, and see, that's the, let me just we got this water material here. I'm going to change the color. See that? See, look at this beautiful procedural forest system. I just simply created this huge system by using a couple of nodes and stuff, and this looks really natural and it's so beautiful, bro. This one is, I would say Unreal Engine is the best. We can easily create a huge world by using this PCG system and things. These are all animating, and these trees are not static measures. These are all highly procedural. Okay, and let me just go through this PCG system one more time so you'll get the understanding. So first time I created this PCG forest array system here, and I have added this variety of trees here, and I'll just took this world ray hit query node and I connected to surface sampler for scatter the points on the landscapes, and the transform points here. These, with this node we can control all the values like rotation of the trees and scale and all those things. And this one is the density filter. You can control this lower bound or upper bound by using this density filter and make the trees more denser. And by using this get graph parameter, I grab this PCG and drop into that, just name over there, and this node will grab all the assets from here, and I just connected both of this node to match and set attributes, and later I connected to the instance skin mesh spanner, which we put the this wind transform provider for the animation of the trees, and I just renamed this mesh attribute as forest. It's totally up to you, and saved it. So that's how we created this huge procedural forest system, and this is literally beauty of Unreal Engine. The Unreal Engine 5.7 is like the engine is on steroid right now. You can create a lot of things by using this game engine. This is going crazy day by day. They are updating and upgrading this engine for a lot of things. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe this channel for more tutorials and contents like this. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. This is Ashwandara Main signing off.